Big up Crosses TV.
Big up Crosses TV. One and only Crosses TV. You don't know what bad about here, you know. Tear down just do this. It never did have to tear down. It never did have to tear down. Me never gonna help tear down. So there and then when me try to do what me probably go wrong, I try to see if me can help fix the situation. When me analyze what happened with him, I say, CMR, this a girl too, when me say, fee HPS there, I get here for, to the way it look like, say, alright, him come now, and from him attack, say, you carry him from somewhere, make him come here, based on how me analyze up the girl, me now go say to myself, say, alright, I pay, you have to go pay if you put this a girl because me get to find out, say, she have green card. All I know where the road is at, this girl do not want a job. You know, here the man say she did forget Texas. She did forget Texas I want work where somebody want help her. But she turned away from that, she turned to Florida direction. Why? Because I don't work this look like a man money. So she don't want work. From she come down to Florida, how much work you get and walk off of the work? How much work you get and walk off of the work because you don't want work? You understand? So leading up now, when me find out now, because me decide say it's not my decision to tear down Christian CMR Empire, because me never would have want if it tear down. Me hope to God, and me hope to God he can't fix, but with fans and una all of this, and the vlogger them and how to do with it, probably he can't fix, but anyway. What is being said, yes, we are going to say, alright, CMR fucked up. Me, I go say now the only thing where me guilty of is for finding out after the fucking fact and not tell Chrissy. That is the only thing Wally British is guilty of. And me I go tell you about me now, how me stay when it comes to man and woman relationship. I am not going to be the one. I am not going to be the one. Who would have given me the right and the place to even make me hear? Even if me hear about something after the fact, me I go take you upon myself to say, alright, me I go put this to Chrissy to tear down Chrissy and CMR Empire. My goal would not be to tear down Chrissy and CMR Empire. My goal would never be to tear down Chrissy and CMR Empire. Why me would have to be the one to take up that from my shoulder? Why me would have been the one to take up that on my shoulder? The next thing again that I am guilty of. The next thing again that I am guilty of have a soft heart. Is a soft heart this you girl use and catch me. I will say, anybody, me not stop nobody from help her. And not stop nobody from take her up in our house. But me I go tell you the sound, I go feel the hands of it. One way or the other. Oh, you don't understand me, I'm going to talk about you, but me I get to it. I am getting to it. As we start off and say, two things me guilty of. The first thing what me guilty of is finding out about this after the fact and not tell Chrissy. So if I am guilty of that, yes, me guilty of that, I'm own that. And my explanation of that is that it wouldn't be my place. I am not the type of person. Senora, my best friend, and if Senora like a boy or a girl out the road, a boy out the road and them attack and me see them as somebody, me now put it to Senora because me now be the one for Senora and her man go argue. So there and then now, if me guilty of that, me can't own that. Me never did ever be the one. Number two, the second thing when me guilty of, I feel sorry for this girl. I feel sorry for this girl and me say, anybody else sorry for him, I go feel it because me I go explain my little part now. Me I go explain my little part now. As me say, the second thing when me guilty of, I feel sorry for this girl because you know what put me in this position because me sorry for her. Over a month and change ago, me there in my yard and somebody messaged me and said, could I have your number? I would have liked to talk to you about something. Now, this a message wouldn't be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th time. People message me in that type of way. In terms of whatever them I go through, if you think say, alright, me I go try off a wallet for help. Whether financial help, whether link help, whether no matter what type it is, whether a woman I got you a personal something with their husband or them man, a person will reach out to me and say, Wally, me feel like say alright, but I talk to you. So there and then, a baby about a month, let's say 2 months. Let's say 2 months. Someone had messaged me in my inbox on Instagram and said they like to talk to me about. I tell us I'm up on the road like you that come from your yard and come down Iowa to go my yard, my girl. Me walk come down Iowa like towards my house. I'm now approaching the light at any pin. Yes. You wasn't to be the one to break the news. Let me explain my part because me don't know what Shani I want to feel say did that go happen to me now. Only just jump on here. Oh, well you're Christian friend. Oh, how you wicked. Oh, you're a snake. Snake fuck. How the fuck me a snake? How the fuck me a snake? Me tell myself say I wasn't even going to get upset. But when me I say guilty, I feel know and after the fact. Because if CMR Eva had intercourse with this girl, me certainly say from me know about it and no intercourse again. So what do you feel like so now go can do to me now? What do you feel so now can do to me now? You think me and a pussy one know we are shape in our farm? If CMR and this girl intercourse and after me know. And after me know. So anything when me know after the fact. Anything when me know is after the fact. So there and then, oh, me feel held responsible. Then now again, let me tell you, all my arts will get me in trouble. And more than one time, I see people tell me say they don't live nowhere. Me there, me yard already, and a girl message me out of the blue and tell me say she homeless and she want help and rate her. And she there admire me somewhere about. And she have papers to England and she have papers to America. Either way, she don't live nowhere in one tire shop she there. And she want help. When the girl called me with that in the morning, to the way I feel, me say, Jesus Christ, me have an empty room here. When the girl hold the phone and show me across the tire shop, my heart nearly dropped down. Right away, me tell the girl, so you can come, and you can come today. When me tell the girl, like me said to the girl, when me make up my mind, me tell the girl, say she can come just like that. Her page is private. Me say, open me a page and make me see your page. Yeah, I do. You can't just take in people like that. This, that, and the third page. Man must look you. This, that. You're supposed to go can't get help. So, me never hear back from her, from me to tell her, say, me have cold feet and nobody come. You don't know, say, about 2-3 months time. You don't know, say, about 2 months after that. When me look, I want mix up, me see come out of England. I was Spice, they have one daughter, they over England. No, Spice did have one dancer. We go over England.
You called me a while ago, right? I couldn't talk, you see. Yeah, me if you call it from there for make you know. Me I go head to the bank now because I misplaced my card and one bag of shit. So yeah, but me I come over there when me done. You see it. I know you did call me. What was it again, babes? Shit, but yeah, I couldn't talk. I don't know if you pick up on it. You see it. Oh, your voice sounds so cute. You miss me too. I miss you too, babe. Yesterday we just did get no one disagreement, you see it, and yeah, and then baby your skin smooth but you love it rough. Touch your body so soft but me cock it off. Shania punani your paradise. Hey girl, you punani your paradise. Tongue in your ears, me and tell you something. Baby, me I go come for your belly button. Hey girl, you punani your paradise. Hey girl, you punani your paradise. Yo, don't bumbuckle or what, if you say yes, babes.